Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today's topic is gonna be Dogecoin. What the hell is going on with Dogecoin? Now, it's recently been in a rally, right? There's a lot of hype backing the coin. Elon Musk keeps tweeting about it. So there's a lot of attention on this cryptocurrency as of now. Now, if you just some of the ideas, like I know the question is, where do you think Dogecoin is going to go to? Now, here's the issue that I'm personally having to deal with is if you come compare it to Bitcoin has a set amount of coins that you could actually mine, all right? So, with Dogecoin, every year there's about 4% of new coins that are always being produced. So it's something like it'll keep up with inflation. Now, do I see Dogecoin being used similarly? I compare it to the US dollar. I would compare it as to the US dollar, as in if like one day it does become consistent and we keep up with demand, yeah, it could definitely become a currency that we always use. It's just the price has to be a lot less volatile so we could actually use the currency. Now, what's actually happening is there's nothing really backing the coin. That's what I'm really kind of struggling to personally understand and see something of value. Now, if it does go to $1 and stays at $1, by all means, I mean, we could probably use it as a sort of currency, but predicting where it's going to go and where it's going to hold its value is kind of unpredictable. There's a higher probability that you don't know where it's going, and there's no edge in that play. So the only thing that I could actually help you guys with is the price action. If you focus on the price action of the cryptocurrency, you could kind of see the buying pressure and the demand. And as long as people are talking about it, we're likely going to see this rally even more. But that's the only way. Now, if you're holding this long term because you see something fundamental for it, I don't see that value. But short term, if you want to trade it, yeah, man, there's all the eyes on it. There's a lot of attention going on. So by all means, do that. That's all I have for today. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.